Right now, scammers are targeting Nebraska's most vulnerable. If you've recently lost a pet, be careful about what you post and who you respond to. Lincoln's Animal Control Services say they're seeing reports of scammers impersonating control officers saying they found your lost loved one. They're using Animal Control's number and contacting people about their missing pets, and that the only way they'll return them is if you pay through a link or Cash App. Animal Control says there is never a charge to report a lost pet. If you are a victim to this scam, contact the Lincoln Police.